Hi, I'm Phil. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Unicorn Auctions. We're the leading spirits auction platform for spirits and wine in the US. Our business is a marketplace where people can discover, buy, trade, sell, and vault their wine and spirits collections. Clients from all over the world are able to store their collections with us, have access to a client portal, and view everything digitally. And we have a marketplace and auction where people are able to seamlessly buy and sell and get paid out within a week. Challenges our company has faced: I think we're coming from a very antiquated industry that's been operating the same way for 100 years. And for us, we're reimagining and re-envisioning what the modern spirits and wine platform looks like for the modern consumer who's used to getting everything at a click of a button. And so rethinking how everything was very difficult because it meant we need to be fully vertically integrated, where we have warehouses across the country, where we have logistics services, big teams, a marketplace, collecting data. And so that was the biggest challenge that our company has faced kind of starting on. The impact to our business was kind of re-engineering everything from the ground up, from the consumer point of view, how we can make this better. And so key things that we focused on was internal tech and internal tooling of being able to receive bottles, process them as quick as possible, authentication, some element of blockchain to actually track the bottles and the authentication of it. And to our customers, I think one of the challenges was educating them on why Unicorn is the most trusted platform when they're so used to buying something the same way for decades from traditional auction houses or retailers. And so that's kind of been the biggest challenge, but I think it's been an exciting challenge because in a really short period of time, we've grown to be the largest spirits auction platform in the country. We manage hundreds of thousands of bottles and collections for collectors from around the world. And in a quick period of time, I think great tech, super fast communication, and a seamless customer experience has allowed us to earn that trust for customers. The thing about working with the Eureka team that was different than any other dev shop, so we have our internal engineers, but really wanted to find a trusted partner that deeply understood our business, our vision, and where we were heading. And I think that working with the Eureka team and having them fly out to Chicago multiple times, spend countless hours, days talking to us, everyone from the CEO down to an engineer on a daily level, just understanding the intricacies of our business and what we were trying to build was something that was very differentiated than any other dev shop. Truly felt like a partner. And so that was the first thing that was the most important. And the solution was finding a partnership and a partner that is building with us for the future. In terms of how the solution was implemented, I think we were able to re-engineer those steps together, and Eureka has a really unique team with backgrounds from everywhere, where people worked at eBay or other marketplaces in LATAM and globally. And so they kind of understood a lot of the challenges that maybe we didn't know too. And so when we kind of gave our end vision of where we wanted to be, we met at kind of the beginning stages of where we're at and what we need to build for the foundation and coming there together. And so very difficult business to build from the ground up. But the thing about the Eureka team was how quickly we're able to iterate on a lot of the kind of quick learnings, mistakes, things that might not work for our business, and push the updates as quick as possible so that we can have the most seamless experience for customers. And the results, both short and kind of long-term impacts, was prior to Eureka, we were operating off of a third-party white-labeled app to get product market fit. And we quickly learned that that's not scalable. There's no customization. All of the things that we want to create the best user experience just was not able to be done with a third-party app. And we realized how important it was to build the solution from the ground up. So immediately kind of building the V1 of our app together, it was just about scalability. How can we get the best app that gives the best user experience compared to any platform that's out there today, and the best experience to our customers? long term, I think it's all of the foundational work that we've done from a data architecture standpoint, from a cloud optimization standpoint, from a user experience standpoint, really giving us the foundation to build a lot easier on top of what we started. And so I think that that's been the benefit of the partnership with Eureka and with having such a great team that actually understands all the intricacies of our business. It truly felt like the team had an ownership mentality, using the app, feeling the same pain points that we did, and wanting to create the best experience that they would want for themselves. I think trust, for us, that's our core value, is trust, and that is something super important. So in terms of the trust factor, the importance of trusting in our partnership, there's a lot of ambiguity of, how will this turn out and how is it going to be? And so I think the Eureka Labs team supporting our growth and understanding that every time something goes wrong, we lose the trust potentially of customers. And that's always what's at the forefront of our mind. And so immediately knowing that that was the biggest priority for us and a cultural value that was super important stood out to us. When we felt the pain, they felt the pain, and being able to iterate and quickly push the changes that our customers can see, that we truly hear the customer feedback, and the voice of the customer shines through in all of our product updates.